Oh. Oh my god.
Lele. Careful, Chris. Yeah, I know. I want to feed him in their face.
Haha, nice.
We're walking to watch the elephants bathe.
Sean is en route to bathe his elephant. Can you believe it, boys and girls? Can you believe it? How funny. Oh wow. Oh my god. Drama. He's actually causing waves. Wow. Look. Just finished bathing them. Here's a baby just loving life. Give me a kiss. Oh, that felt cool.
The mouth kiss same, maybe. Let's go for the mouth. Be a man now. Jump back. Perfect.
So how was that?
Take a look at quickly. That's the mouth kiss right there.
That was a horn.
And there you go.
Oh my god, adorable. Oh my god, he smells so bad.
Max, il est toujours là-bas, tu le vois encore là-bas? Là, il y avait le camion.
There he goes.
Oh god, this one is going to slide onto the other one. Drama. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you be able to get back up? Oh, this is high drama. Oh my god, now he's dirtier than ever. Are they playing or fighting?
They're playing. Oh god. Drama is coming. So how was the experience?
Oh, you're talking to me? I thought you were talking to...
How was the experience?
Fantastic.
You do it again?
Brilliant.
Recommend to anybody?
Absolutely. Everybody should come.
No, most memorable part when we took the pictures over there. When you were in between the two elephants and I was to the right.
Right.
And then after that, we did the elephant kiss. Those two were the coolest.
Wrap it up, wrap it up.
And that's it. Over and out.